Okay, this video is for everybody working on the Slayer exciter over at the Energetic Forum, and this is a miniature Slayer exciter. It's got very high output, so I thought I'd make a video and show you, and it might give others ideas on how to increase the output of theirs. Now, it's what it is. It's a solder tube like that. Got some solder still left in it, and it measures 90mm by 15mm. It's pretty tiny really, and I've just wound, I think it was either 28 or 30 gauge wire for the full length of it, and secured each end with a small cable tie. Now the circuit's running and it's drawing 43 milliamps, and this is measured across a 1 ohm resistor, and I'm using a wall adapter to power it, and it's set on the 3-volt setting, but it's actually outputting 4.5 volts at that. Now the circuit is here on the breadboard, and I've got an LED going from emitter to base, and it's not on at the moment even though the circuit is drawing 42 milliamps. Now you can make one of these Slayer exciters and think the circuit is not working, and I've got an AV plug here which is just 2 diodes with an LED, and if you put that anywhere near this coil it's dead, completely dead, nothing. I put it to the end of the L1 and it's dead. Now if it looks like it's red, it's because that's the camera showing that up, but it's nothing at all coming out of this. It's a blue LED. Now if I get myself a ferrite rod from an ariel, from an AM/FM ariel, and insert that into the tube, as I put it in, I'll slowly put it in, and you can see the indicator light has come on now. The current draw is 37 milliamps. Just put it in a bit more, and that's really bright, that LED, but I've only just put that that ferrite rod in slightly, and it's still not far enough. Now here's a neon on an AV plug, and I can put that near it and it's still not lighting. So if I put the ferrite rod in a bit further, that's just gone berserk, that LED, and the neon now lights. But that's probably still not the ideal position for it, so I'll just slide it all the way in. That LED is blazing, and here's I think it's a small 4-watt fluorescent. Now that's lighting wirelessly now. And you can light another one. But if you didn't put this ferrite rod inside of the hollow tube, you'd think the exciter circuit wasn't outputting anything. Now I think this is down to the inductance of the wire. If you're using a small amount of wire, you haven't got the inductance of a large coil, so you have to make it up somehow, and by adding the ferrite rod, this increases the inductance and turns it into an absolute cracking Slayer exciter. Okay, I hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.